Hello everyone. First of all, I need to tell you I'm not a migration agent. I'm just making this video with my personal experience. So today I'm going to teach you how you can add your baby to your current visa. So first of all, you have to Google add a baby to your visa, and then you have to go to this link or this link. And then here the it will look like this. You had a child, then you have to answer few questions before you go ahead. So was your child born in Australia? Yes, in my case it's yes. And then the second question is, at the time of your child's birth, was one parent an Australian citizen or a permanent visa holder? In my case it's not. In your case you have to answer yes or no according to you. So the third question is, at the time of your child's birth, was one parent a special category subclass 444 visa holder or on or after 1st July 2022? If it's yes, then you have to yes, otherwise you have to click no. Then continue. And next question is, at the time of your child's birth, was one parent of New Zealand citizen with the special category? You have to answer it yes or no according to your case. Next question is, at the time of your child's birth, was one parent of New Zealand citizen with the skilled independent subclass 189 visa granted between 1st January 2022 and 30 June 2023, and the child was born between those dates? In my case it's no. Second, another question is, did one parent hold a temporary visa at the time of your child's birth? So you have to for example, any of the parent of the child hold a temporary visa at the time of child's birth. If yes, you have to yes. If no, then you have to no. So I have to click yes. And then choose the temporary visa subclass that matches the parent's visa. So you have to, if you hold all of these like one of these visas like 476, 485, 500, 590, you have to click this. Otherwise you have to, if you have 485, 482 or any other temporary visa, you have to click here. And then next. So it will look like here those questions you have answered. If you can check if you have not answered correctly, then you can change it from here. And then here you can see all of these documents you need for your application. And then there is a form 122 notification of changes in circumstances, form 1229 consent to grant an Australian visa child. You have to download all these two forms and fill them. And if your application is finalized and you can't submit your documents using this form, you have to click this form. You have to click here. So here, add a baby to subclass all of these visas. If you hold these, you have to say I have read and understood the Department of Security privacy statement and security statement. Is your inquiry regarding these visas? If you currently hold one of these visas, then you have to click yes. Then, so what type of visa do you hold? In my case it's like, if whatever visa you hold, you have to click here. And then you have to fill the details like given names, visa holder details, like if your husband is primary applicant, then you have to fill the details of the husband. If wife, then you have to fill the details of your wife, and then like your family name, your date of birth, passport number, and your authorized email contact will be here. And then what type of reference number do you have? You have to fill either application ID or transaction reference number. It should be in your current visa. You can check in your visa, and here your child details, your child's given name, family name, date of birth, and their passport number if they have passport. And then attach the following documents, and then you have to attach these documents. The form 1022 notification of circumstances, you have to download it and fill it, and you have to upload the completed form 1229, and then you have to upload a certified copy of your baby's Australian birth certificate. You have to apply it. If you are currently in Australia, you can apply it online, and a certified copy of your baby's passport if available. If you don't have passport, then still you can apply, but you have to do the same process again. So I recommend you to do it once you received the passport of your baby. Otherwise you have to repeat everything again. So for the parents ID, such as driver's license or passport or Indian passport, you can upload. And here you have to upload the filled form, and then baby's Australian birth certificate, baby's passport pages if available, parents ID, whatever passport or driver license, and form 1229. And then you have to click here I declare the information I have supplied in this form is complete, correct, and up to date in every detail. Then you have to submit, and then you will get visa for your baby within a 1 week or 1 month. Like, it depends on the timing or how busy the department is. And then all done. So I'm going to make another video on form, how to fill form, this form, notification of changes in circumstances, and form 1229. If you would like to watch how to fill it, then go ahead and watch my another video. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much.